Good day, I am Angel and I will present the first part of our research study titled The Impact of Pre-Sample Distribution on Consumer Purchase Decision among ABM Students at Cavite National High School, Senior High School. This study focuses on how pre-sample distribution affects a student buying decision. Businesses use pre-sample to attract customers, but does this strategy really work? Through this research, we aim to find out if pre-samples encourage grade 12 ABM students to purchase a product. Our study is relevant because students are emerging consumers who will shape future market trends. If pre-sample influence their decision, businesses can refine their marketing strategy to attract young customers more effectively. Marketing plays a big role in influencing what people buy. One strategy businesses use is pre-sample distribution, where customers can try a product before purchasing it. Many companies use this method, but we want to know if this is effective, especially for students. Does receiving a pre-sample make a student more likely to buy a product? How does it influence their buying behavior? This study aims to answer this question by analyzing how grade 12 ABM students respond to pre-samples and whether they are influenced by this marketing strategy. Understanding this can help businesses tailor their promotional strategies to attract young consumers.
Today, I am Prince Andre and I will explain the background of our study. Free samples are widely used by businesses to increase product awareness and encourage purchases. By allowing consumers to try product first, companies hope they will feel more confident in buying it. However, there's a little research on whether its strategy is effective, especially for students. Since ABM students are both future business professionals and consumers, understanding their response to pre-samples can help business improve their marketing techniques. This study will help businesses, marketers, and students better to understand the role of free samples in influencing consumer behavior. By identifying whether the strategy truly works, companies can make better decisions on how to invest in marketing. Statement of the problem. To guide our research, we focused on this key question. First, do free samples increase a chance of ABM students buying a product? Second, how do free samples affect students' opinions and buying behavior? And lastly, is free samples distribution an effective marketing strategy? These questions will help us analyze whether free samples serve as a reliable tool to attract student consumers and if they lead to actual purchase.
Good day everyone, I'm Joanna and I will present the research objective of our study. Our study aims to determine if receiving a pre-sample increases the likelihood of purchasing a product. Analyze how pre-samples influence students' opinion and buying behavior. Evaluate whether pre-sample distribution is an effective marketing strategy for ABM students. By achieving these objectives, we can provide valuable insight to our business and future researchers. This will help companies decide whether investing in pre-samples is a cost-effective marketing approach.
Hi, I'm Christian and I will discuss the scope and delimitation of our study. This research is focused on grade 12 ABM students at Cavite National Senior High School during the 2024 and 2025 school year. It does not include students from other strand schools or age group. Additionally, our study only examined pre-sample distribution as a marketing strategy. It does not analyze other promotional studies like social media marketing or discount strategies. To examine this research, we use a quantitative descriptive design. This approach allowed us to collect numerical data and analyze patterns in student buying behavior. We applied this design to measure the impact of pre-sample using survey responses and statistical analysis. This method helps ensure accuracy in understanding consumer behavior.
Our study surveyed 80 out of 452 grade 12 ABM students at Cavite National High School, selected using Slobin's formula and stratified sampling for pair representations. We distributed surveys to gather real opinions and purchasing habits directly from students for statistical analysis.
We use survey questionnaire with structured questions to gather data about students' experiences with pre-samples and their purchasing behavior. The questionnaire was designed to collect both qualitative and quantitative insight to support our analysis.
We use descriptive statistics and Pearson correlation to analyze the relationship between free samples and purchasing behavior.
This chapter presents the key findings of our research on how pre-sample influence grade 12 ABM student purchasing decision. Demographic profile. Our research showed that 55% of respondents were female and 45% were male, allowing us to analyze potential gender differences in purchasing behavior.
Our data shows that 61.25% of students prefer trying free samples before purchasing a product, and 60% say free samples encourage them to try new brands. This suggests that free samples distribution is an effective way to introduce products to students consumers.
Now, we analyze our findings and what they mean for businesses and consumers. Our results provide insights into how pre-samples affect decision-making and what factors influence student-consumer the most.
And for key findings, number 1, pre-sample increase product awareness and influence buying behavior. Number 2, packaging and branding play a role in purchasing decision, especially for female students. And for the last one, number 3, female students are more likely to be influenced by pre-samples than male students.
Now, I will tell the significance of the study. This study is important for businesses, marketers, and students. It helps companies understand whether the pre-samples are successful marketing tool. It also provides knowledge on how young consumers, particularly students like us, react to pre-sample distribution. Understanding these insights allows businesses to refine their marketing strategies to better target consumers.
Applying these recommendations can help businesses improve their marketing effectiveness as a tool in teaching consumer behavior, and they help students become more informed consumers.